Hi everyone, George McQuilkin, National Trainer for LG Appliances, and today I'm going to show you how to edit the more cycle option on our new WM5800 washer. It's really simpler than it looks. So first of all, you're going to press the settings button. That's going to bring you to your main settings menu. Then you're going to press up twice. That's going to bring you to the more cycles edit page. Once you get in, you just press OK, and you press OK one more time to start editing your menu. Now, I recently added a pet care cycle. I'm not going to need it for my most commonly used cycles because my pets are out of the house today. So we're going to deselect that and make more room for cycles that I love. So I'm going to go down here and I want to put a rinse and spin cycle in there. So I'm going to select it, press OK, and then I'm going to press the back button. Once the back button is pressed, it saves it right to your more cycle option. Just that simple. Now I can navigate to my favorite setting. I love AI wash, so I'm going to pick AI wash today. Press start, and you're ready to go. Takes all the guesswork out of doing laundry.